Hey everybody, Chad here. Today we're unboxing the New Concepts 5-inch fret saw, amongst a couple other things. Because this is an order from Amazon, I picked up a couple extra items like this Kong bone for my puppies and a 3/4 inch drill bit to finish out my dog holes. Now, focusing on the saw packaging, we have a little bag section, a bag inside a bag. With the fret saw, there's something I always throw away, a sticker, and something I always keep, a set of instructions. And for the final reveal, the New Concepts fret saw itself, with a beautiful red anodized aluminum frame, tension release lever, and 45-degree swivel blade. I'll show you some use of this saw here in just a few moments. I wanted to show you all a nice, fun clip of the pups playing with their new toy, but it just so happens that they just want to eat each other's faces off right now. And for that large 3/4 inch drill bit, I finished off my dog holes. They were started with my hand drill, a drilling guide, and a Forstner bit. This helped to keep this bit drilling straight without a guide. So the reason I bought this saw is because I was cutting my first hand-cut dovetail with a much larger 12-inch fret saw. Then I started doing some digging, and I quickly concluded that the New Concepts fret saw was the best tool for the job. This clip is from the video where I cut my first hand-cut dovetail. You can watch it in the link in the description or in the card in this video. I would greatly appreciate it if you liked this video and subscribed to my channel. Thanks for making it to the end.